How to do VLOOKUP in Excel with two sheets. VLOOKUP is a function in Excel that allows you to look up a value in one sheet and return a corresponding value from another sheet. For example, you can use VLOOKUP to find the price of a product based on its name or ID. To do VLOOKUP in Excel with two sheets, you need to follow these steps. Enter the VLOOKUP formula in the sheet where you want to display the result. The formula has four arguments: lookup underscore value, table underscore array, col underscore index underscore number, and range underscore lookup. Lookup underscore value is the value you want to look up. It can be a cell reference or a text string. For example, A2 or Apple. Table underscore array is the range of cells on the other sheet that contains both the lookup value and the return value. You need to include the sheet name followed by an exclamation point before the range reference. For example, sheet 2, A1B10. Col underscore index underscore number is the column number in the table underscore array that contains the return value. For example, 2 for column B. Range underscore lookup is an optional argument that specifies whether you want an exact match or an approximate match. You can enter true for approximate match or false for exact match. If you omit this argument, it defaults to true. Press enter to complete the formula and drag it down or across to fill other cells as needed. For example, suppose you have two sheets named products and sales. The products sheet has product names in column A and prices in column B. The sales sheet has product names in column A and quantities sold in column B. You want to use VLOOKUP to display the prices of each product on the sales sheet. To do this, you can enter this formula in cell C2 on the sales sheet, equals VLOOKUP, A2 products, A1B10, 2 false. This formula will look up the product name in cell A2 on the sales sheet and return the price from column B on the products sheet. It will also look for an exact match by using false as the range underscore lookup argument. You can then copy this formula down to other cells in column C to get the prices for all products.